everybody, I'm back, and today on Milana Baker Bakes, we're making brownies, but of in honor of KU. We're making KU Brownies since they won the Final Four. First, you need 2 cups of melted butter. If you don't feel comfortable heating it up by yourself, then ask a parent. Next, you add 2 cups of your melted butter and then 4 cups of sugar. Next, add 1 cup of chocolate chips. After that, you're going to add 8 eggs to your mixture, 1 at a time. Next, add 1 tablespoon of vanilla. And the best thing about this recipe is that you don't have to do it in the mixer. You can do it all in one bowl. Mix, mix, mix! You're gonna have the same bowl, but just put a sifter in it, and then you're gonna add 2 cups of flour. Next, you're gonna add 1/3 and 1 cup of cocoa powder. Next, add a pinch of salt. Finally, we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of baking powder and then sift. Once you're done sifting, then you mix. I've already poured my batter into a pan and I put chocolate chips on it, and it's ready to go into the oven. And look how beautiful that looks. Remember, always preheat your oven to 350. And now I'm going to put the brownie in the oven. Remember, we use icing from scratch, not this type of icing. My brownie's out of the oven, and look how good that looks. And now we're gonna start making the icing for it. We're making our icing, and now I'm gonna add blue food coloring because we're doing KU. And KU's main colors are blue and red, so we're doing blue and red. It has to be a dark blue. I already finished with my icing, and now it's time to put the frosting on the brownie. Now it's done, so let's try it.
Oh, that's very refreshing. It's good.
Check it out, KU Brownie. If I can do this, you can do this. Follow my channel, Milana